Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so. You are doing great. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the objective type examinations, especially JEE Mains and MSET, with amazing super tips and tricks, shortcuts I'm using. Within fraction of seconds, we can crack the solutions. Within short time, we can come across the easy solutions. There is no difficult at all. In each and every video, I'm using the super tips and tricks. Those are most helpful to you guys because in objective type of examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions to get the best and better ranks. That is only possible when, yes, if you apply the tips, shortcuts. That is all I'm going to use in my videos. If you not yet watch my previous videos, please watch them. Links are there in below description. Okay, so in today's session, I'm going to start one of the quite interesting and very, very important topic, that is indefinite integrations, that too exclusively previous JEE Mains questions I'm going to discuss in this session. Previous JEE Mains questions from 2018, 2019 I'm discussing here with amazing shortcuts, simple methods that is most helpful to you. Already I did the total chapter, some parts. Those links are also there in below description. So today what I am going to discuss exclusively previous JEE Mains of the year 2018 and 2019, and the topic is what? Indefinite integrations. Are you ready? Without delay, let's get started, right? Look at this question which is given. Mains 2018. M means Mains 2018 it is given. JEE Mains. JEE Mains 2018 it is given. It seems to become lengthy. No, it's not lengthy. Just you have to concentrate on the simplification of this question. What is integration of sin square x cos square x upon sin power 5x plus cos cube x sin square x plus sin cube x cos square x plus cos power 5x overall square is asking. Has given the options, but I didn't write the options because options takes time. It is in the form of functions. So just I'm explaining how it is. Okay. First I'm taking the simplification of denominator. What is denominator here? Sin power 5x, cos cube x, sin square x, etc. From this one, first two terms, I'm taking the sin square x is common. But taking the sin square x common here, what is left over? Sin cube x plus, next sin cube x plus cos cube x, right? Plus, from next two terms, I'm taking the cos square x is common. But taking the cos square x is common, what is left over here? Sin cube x plus cos cube x, right? Overall square is there. Just I am taking the separation of the denominator and I am taking the simplification, right? What you can observe that here from these two factors there is a common factor sin cube x plus cos cube x here and here. Okay, by taking the sin cube x cos cube x, what happened? Plus cos cube x is taken out of what is left over here? Sin square x plus here cos square x overall square, right? Don't forget this square. Very well, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. That's why this becomes 1. 1 into something is this thing only. Means what it becomes? Sin cube x plus cos cube x whole square, right? Again, I'm taking from this one cos cube x is common. If take the cos cube x is common, it becomes cos cube x whole square means cos power 6x or not? Cos power 6x is common. What is left over here? Here cos cube x is taken out. This is a sin by cos is tan. That means tan cube x. Plus 1 with square is left over. Like this, we have to make the simplification of denominator. We have to concentrate on denominator. I have taken denominator separately. I have taken simplification. Now denominator becomes what? This in place of this one you can write cos power 6x of tan cube x plus 1 whole square. In case of integrations, we have to convert the unknown integral function to known integral function. That is a major part in case of integrations. We now can come to the next step. In place of the denominator, I am replacing this is integration. As it is, I am writing integral of sin square x into cos square x by, in place of this thing, What I am writing? Cos power 6x of tan cube x plus 1 whole square whole dx is equals to, from the cos square x, cos power 6x, one cos square x gets cancelled. One more cos power 4x is there. Cos power 4, we can take one cos square x under the sin square, means what? Sin square by cos square, tan square x into one more 1 by cos square is left over, that is secant square upon divided by tan cube x plus 1 whole square dx. Now you can concentrate on this one. What is a tan cube x plus 1 derivative? What is a tan cube x plus 1 derivative? Tan cube x derivative, it is in the form of exponent. Tan cube x derivative is 3 into tan square x into again tan x derivative is secant square x. Means what? Tan cube x derivative is 3 tan square x into secant square x. Here it is a derivative of one constant 0, you know very well. That's what is this function derivative under the square derivative is 3 tan square x secant square x. So to reduce this is into this derivative, what is missed here? 3 is missed. Divide and multiply with 3. 1 by 3 of 3 times of, I am taking this factor is in numerator, that is a tan cube x plus 1 whole power minus 2, it becomes into 3 tan square x into secant square x. Clear? It's so simple question, but you have to understand what is the process. What is the process you have to understand. Now why I am reducing like this? Because of this derivative is here and with power minus 2. One of the super tip, what is that? Integral of f for n x into f dash x is what? Yes, f for n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the integral constant you can add. What is integral of f for n into f dash x is? Yes, exactly f for n plus 1 by n plus 1. I have written there. In place of f function here, tan cube x plus 1 and n is minus 2. Means what? This becomes, tell me, this is equals to 1 by 3 as it is. Tan cube x plus 1 whole power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Tan cube x plus 1 whole power minus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. This is I am rewriting minus 1 by 3 times of. This comes in the denominator because there is minus becomes plus if you write. Therefore, this is 1 by tan cube x plus 1 it becomes. Therefore, what is the final answer? This is one of the option. I didn't write the options. What is that? Minus 1 by 3 of tan cube x plus 1. Okay. Like this we can do this question. Question is easy, but try to understand what you have to do. You have to take the simplification. Why we are taking the simplification? To reduce into non-integral function. Now it becomes in the form of non-integral f for n x into f dash x. Is it clear? Now you can come across some more questions. Right? I am going to discuss from here onwards. Those are given in JEE Mains 2019. What are those? Look at one by one. So this is one of the question is given that simple condition for x square is not equals to n pi plus 1. If x square is n pi plus 1, this function is not defined. Denominator is not defined. That's why it is given. No need to worry about that one. So then we can find out integral of x of under root 2 sine x square minus 1 minus sine 2 of x square minus 1. Same function here and here. Only here minus is there, here plus is there. To find out its integral, here also you have to take the simplification. Just we can use the trigonometric applications. Sine 2a formula? Yes, exactly 2 sine a cos a. In the numerator, this is in the form of just like 2 sine a. It is in the form of sine 2a because this is same. X square minus 1 is same. Angle is same. But it is in the form of 2 some sine a. It is sine 2a. Same way denominator also. I am taking a simplification here simply for easiness purpose. Let x square minus 1 is a. Let x square minus 1 is a. Finally, have to replace what is a. Now this integral becomes what? This is x of. First I am taking the simplification of this internal function. This is in the form of, this is a. X is a means 2 sine a minus sine 2a. Right. X square minus 1 is a means what? This becomes 2 sin a minus sin 2a. Same way denominator 2 sin a plus sin 2a under root I am writing. Okay, finally I will replace in place of the a is x square minus 1. First I will take the simplification like this. This is 2 sin a, okay, minus sin 2a can write 2 sin a cos a. Same way denominator also 2 sin a plus 2 sin a cos a, right? Because this is also in the form of sin 2a. Now what is common in numerator and denominator? 2 sin a is common. I am taking the common. 2 sin a is common from the numerator. What is left over? Here 1 minus cos a is left over, right? Same way denominator. Also we can take 2 sin a is a common. What is left over here? 1 plus cos a is left over, right? So what happens? Sin 2 sin a gets cancelled. Root over 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a we got. You know clearly what is root over 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a from the trigonometry? That is simply tan a by 2. Under root is there. Root over 1 minus cos a 1 plus cos a is tan a by 2. This is also from the trigonometry. So simply this function becomes tan a by 2 where a is how much? X square minus 1. Now the question becomes, you know very well, what is the question now? In place of this function I am writing tan a by 2. What is a I have taken? A is a x square minus 1, means this is a tan of x square minus 1 by 2, right? What is the root over this function? Root over this totally becomes tan of x square minus 1 by 2. Therefore this question becomes now integral of x is as it is tan of x square minus 1 by 2 dx, right? Simple way I am doing, guys. Just you can concentrate what is the simplification for this question. And to reduce into non-integral function, take this as a t. Let x square minus 1 by 2 as a 2t. By the substitution method, you can reduce this into non-integral function. That's why you can take x square minus 1 by 2 as a t. What is this derivative? You know, if you reduce this is in terms of t means what? Remaining functions also you can reduce in terms of t. For that, you know, derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 derivative 0 by 2 is equals dx is equals to dt, right? 2 to cancel, therefore x dx is equals to dt. Now clearly the question becomes what? This step becomes in place of x dx we can take as dt. This is nothing but t. Therefore indirectly tan t integral we want. Okay, what is integral of tan x? Yes, log mod sec x. Now it is reduced into the form of non-integral or not? Therefore, what is integral of tan t? That is log mod sec t. Right, plus c is as it is. That is t is what I assumed, x square minus 1 by 2. That the final result is log of mod sec of x square minus 1 by 2 plus c. Here also I didn't give the options. In options among the 4 options, all options are nearer like this only. For one option 1 by 2 is there, another option 2 is there. Like the slight differences are there. That's why I didn't write the option. This is a correct answer, right? Is it clear now? Simply what I did here, I assume that x square minus 1 is some a. This function is simplified as a tan a by 2, and in place of a again I replaced as x square minus 1 by 2 is there. Then the function into non-integral function. That's it. Look at the next question, which is also given in 2019 JEE Mains. Is given that this model question is very important, because it is giving you frequently these such type of model questions. What is this model? What you have to proceed, that is important for this question. Then we can get into non-integral function. So what is the question? I am reading first. If f of x is given as integral of 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 divided by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square is given, and also f of 0 value is given. You know this one you can use for finding the constancy. How it is I will explain at the end of this finding the integration. Okay, then the value of f of 1 we have to find out. f of x is given here. After simplifying this integration, we can get the f of x function. For that, from the f of x function, we can find out the c value. For the c has given this result, and after collecting the c value, the function becomes so and so. From that, we can find out f of 1. F of 1 means what? X is equals to 1 we have to take. That value is what we have to find out. Reading the question is also very, very important. Okay, clear? First, we need to find out the f of x function, you have to find out its integral. For that, what you have to do? Simply, in such type of questions, I am writing question once again, 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 upon by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square function is there. This is fx. Finally, I will take this is fx. So, to find out its integral, what you have to do simply, in such type of questions, fractions, in the denominator, what is highest variable? What is highest power variable is x power 7. That one you have to take the common. That is one of the hint. What you have to take the common? X power 7 is common in the denominator. Whatever may be square under the square. That is I am taking here. Numerator is as it is 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6. From the denominator, what I am going to take? X power 7 is common. X power 7 with square is x power 14 coming out. Of what is left over here? If you take the x power 7 is common, is there x power 7? No. After collecting x power 7 is common, this becomes 1 by x power 5. 1 by x power 5 cannot x power minus 5. Okay, plus, is there x power 7? No. If you take the x power 7 means what? This is multiplied with x power minus 7 plus. Here x power 7 is already there. Only 2 is left out. 2 with square dx. Right. Now, why I am writing like this? Why we have to do like this? You can understand now. After taking the LCM, you know, numerator 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 divided by x power 14, what happened? 5 into x power 8 by x power 14 means what? 8 minus 14 is minus 6 or not? You know, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. According to that formula, a power m means what? 8, n means 14, 8 minus 14 is minus 6. That is a x power minus 6, 5 into. Same way, in next term, 7 into x power 6 by x power 14. 6 minus 14 is minus 8. That is a 7 into x power minus 8 by denominator is x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square, right? Now you can understand what is the derivative of this function, internal square function. What is derivative of x power minus 5? It is in the form of x power n. X power n derivative, you know, n into x power n minus 1. X power 5 minus 5 derivative, minus 5 into x power minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Means what? We can reduce, this is a derivative of this function is derivative of x power minus 5, but here minus sign is missed. Same way, what is x power minus 7 derivative? Minus 7 into x power minus 8. Here also minus sign is missed. Means what I am writing this as integral of minus x power minus 6 minus 7x power minus 8 by x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square. Okay, now its derivative is here. This is again I am rewriting like this. This is I am taking the numerator, integral of this becomes x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square with minus. This is I am taking into numerator, plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is as it is numerator. Another term is minus 5x power minus 6 minus 7x power minus 8 is as it is. We can understand what is form. Just only now only I used that formula. What is that? Yes, integral of what is that? Integral of f for nx into f dash x. This derivative is here. It is in the form of f for nx into f dash x or not? And in place of n is minus 2. What is that integration? F for n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, this is minus of fx means what? This total function x power minus 5 plus x power minus 2 plus 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1. N plus 1 means minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. This is the total fx. Therefore, now fx is equals to x power minus 5 plus c, constant c also should add, plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole power minus 1 plus c. Okay, we have this f of x function, right? Now we can find out the c value by using this result. What is the meaning of this result? X value is 0, f of 0 value is 0. Put x is 0 here. F of 0 is equals to x is 0 means 0 plus 2 to 2 power with minus 1 plus c. F of 0 is what here? 0. Therefore, this is 0. Here 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus c. Therefore, what is c value? C value is minus 1 by 2. Right? C value is minus 1 by 2. There the question becomes, means what this equation 1 if you take, that becomes what? F of x becomes what? Okay, there f of x is equals to, now tell me. This is as it is x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole power minus 1 with minus 1 by 2. Now, we want f of 1 in place of x we can take it as 1. Therefore, f of 1 result is, 1 power minus 5 is 1 only. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 power minus 1 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 with minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 with minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus 1 by 4. Right. Now, which option is? F of 1 value is minus 1 by 4. Simply, we have to find out what is f of 1 value. F of 1 value is minus 1 by 4. Clearly, first option. Yes, look at this question. It is also given 2019, one of the shift. Same model what I did the previous question. So, what you have to do for this one, I have given the hint here. Directly is asking integral. He is not asking some other values. So, to find out its integral, what I given hint? Yes, in denominator, what is highest variable power term? X power 4. That is x power 4 is taken out. So, this integration becomes now, numerator is as it is 3x power 13 plus 2x power 11. Denominator. What about denominator? In denominator, among these three terms, what is highest degree term? X power 4. That is I am taken out. X power 4 with power 4 is x power 16. Right? X power 16 off. Tell me what is left over? 2 is left over plus here. But in the x square is common. X power 4 is common here. X square is there. Means so it becomes 3x power minus 2. Right? Plus here by taking the x power 4 is common, 1 by x power 4 means x power minus 4 overall power 4, right? This is dx. What I have given hint in previous question, these two terms are divided by x power 16, 3 into x power 13 by x power 16. What is x power 13 by x power 16? 13 minus 16 is how much? Yes, minus 3. Therefore, this is 3x power minus 3 plus 2 times of x power 11 by x power 11 by x power 16 means 11 minus 16 is minus 5. 2x power minus 5 by denominator 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 overall 4. Okay, whole dx. Right, we can understand now what is given here. What we got now? 3x power minus 3 plus 2x power minus 5 by 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4. We can understand what is the derivative of this function. 2 derivative constant you know very well, 0, and x power minus 2 derivative, yes, minus 2 into x power minus 3. Means what? Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 into x power minus 3 want. Here minus 6 is not there. We want, this is minus 6 means what you can multiply and divide with the minus 2, right? Same way x power minus 4. X power minus 4 derivative, yes, minus 4 into x power minus 5. So, minus 4 is not there here. So, this is a minus 4 means already 2 is there. We want how much? Minus 4 into x power minus 5. To adjust into minus 4, what is missed here? 2 is missing. Means what? For these two terms, we want the minus 2 extra. For that, you have to divide and multiply with the minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 of integral of minus 2 into 3 minus 6x power minus 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 4x power minus 5 by 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 overall power 4 whole dx. That's it. Okay, now we can reduce into f power n x into f of x formula. We can write this is in numerator. Minus 1 by 2 is as it is. Now integral of. If you take this is into numerator, my plus 4 becomes minus 4. Therefore, this is 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 overall power minus 4. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. Then this function is as it is. Into minus 6x power minus 3 minus 4x power minus 5 whole dx, right? Now it is in the form of what? Again it is in the form of f power n x into f dash x is what? F power n plus 1 by, f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Same formula what I used for previous questions. There are the three major formulas or the integrations: f power n x into f dash x, f dash x by f of x, f dash x by root f x. Don't forget to read these two formulas majorly along with the standard forms, right? Now can come to the in place of fx is what there? 2 plus 3x square minus 2, 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 with power minus 4. Minus 1 by 2 into fx means this is I am writing as it is 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by minus 3, right? Plus is constant. You know minus or minus plus 1 by 6 of, this is I am writing like this, 2 plus simplification answer is given, simplified answer. Simply we can write 3x power minus 2, we can write 3 by x square plus x power minus 4, we can add 1 by x power 4 power minus 3, right? Next step, minus 1 by 6 by taking the LCM. What is LCM here? X power 4 is LCM. What will come here? 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 power minus 3. Okay, if you take the minus 3 power, if you take the reverse of this fraction, minus becomes plus or not? Plus, and also it becomes 1 by 6 of x power 4 by 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 overall power 3 we got. Okay, is a minus into minus, plus will come here, no minus, right? 1 by 6 times of x power 4 whole power 3 is x power 12 by 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 overall power 3. Okay, let's look at this question. It's simple question. This is also is given that nowadays is given that integration of so and so function is so and so result. From that some unknown function may be unknown or constant is asking. So such type of questions also important. Only you have to concentrate on finding the integral. That's enough. What is additional questioning he may give? That is depends upon the question to question. It will be varied, right? If integral of x power 5 e power minus 4x cube dx is given as 1 by 48 e power minus 4x cube of f of x plus c is as it is integral constant. Here some unknown function f of x is there. That is only how to find out for this question. It's simple question. What you have to do for this one? By observing this question, you can understand easily that as what? As you can take the substitution method. How you know this is substitution method? Because you know clearly what is there here? E power minus 4x cube is there. You know e power x derivative, e power minus 4x cube, you know e power x integral. If you don't know the e power minus 4x cube something, to reduce into known function e power x, like in place of x what it may be variable, we have to take the substitution. Like that we can understand. By the substitution method we can find out its integral, right? First I will find out the integral, then after that I will compare with the given result. For this what I am doing, what I said, let, what is the substitution? E power is what? Minus 4x cube, that is taken as some t. You know very well, in case of substitution, if you change the one variable in terms of t, remaining functions also you can convert in terms of t only. From this only how to derive it by the derivative. Minus 4x cube derivative, 3 4 12 with minus 12x cube 12x square into dx is equals to dt. You know x cube derivative, x cube derivative is a 3x square, 3 into 4 12 minus 12x square dx is dt. This is there. I am writing again, this is x square dx is equals to minus 1 by 12 dt. Right. Now come to the given question. What I am splitting the given question, you can understand clearly. Power minus 4x cube is taken as t, and also x square dx here minus 1 by 12 dt. Now can come to the question. In the question there is x power 5 term. X power 5 term, shall I write x power 3 into x square? Shall I? Yes, 100% we can write. X power 3 I am writing here, e power minus 4x cube as it is, and one more x square is there, that is I am writing beside the dx, right? So now we can understand substitution easily. X square dx plus we can write minus 1 by 12 dt, minus 4x cube we can take in as t, and x cube is there. What is x cube from this one? Minus 1t by 4. That is only next step. X in place of x cube we can add minus t by 4, minus 4x cube e power with t, and x square dx is minus 1 by 12 dt, right? What is next step? Minus 1 by 12 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 12. 4 12 so 48. Minus into minus plus 1 by 48 into integral of what will come here? T into e power t dt. That's it. Okay, now it is in the form of product of two functions as a by parts. By parts I used the short trick. Integral of uv by parts is there. We can take u integral of v dash minus u dash into integral v double dash plus u triple dash into v triple dash double dash into v triple dash, like that. What is the meaning of this is, when the u is a algebraic function, then only can use this short trick. Here u dash, u double dash etc. indicates the successive derivatives, and v dash, v double dash etc. indicates the successive integrals. That is I am using here. Just like here, till the u dash is a constant, till there we have to take this process with alternative plus or minus. I uploaded videos, I explained in that short trick of by parts. In case of the u is a algebraic function, what is that? Watch that video, whose link is given in the description, right? 1 by 48 into, in place of u, t is there, okay. V dash means what? Integral of e power t integral e power t with minus derivative of t. U dash means derivative of t with respect to 1 into v double dash means what? Integral of e power t is e power t only, means it is simply e power t. Further no terms, because again next one derivative 0, like that. This is only our resultant value. From this one I am taking the e power t is common. What is left over? T minus 1. Okay, now replace t is what? Minus 4x cube. 1 by 48 e power minus 4x cube. Here also minus 4x cube with minus 1, right? Now compare with RH. This result we got like this. Now compare with RHS. 1 by 48 is there. E power minus 4x cube is also there. In place of f of x, what is there? In place of f of x is minus 4x cube minus 1. That is only our required result. F of x is asking. That is minus 4x cube minus 1 is clearly second option. That's it. Clear? It's so simple, but what is substitution method? How we can split the function is important, right? Let's look at the next question. It is also same model. What I have given a hint. We can take the highest variable term is common out. First of all, what is the question I am reading? If the integral of root over 1 minus x square by x power 4 is given as ax into root over 1 minus x square, overall power m is given, and is mentioned that for suitable choose an integer m, here m is integer, and the function ax, and ax is a function. Means after finding its integral, we can get the idea about what is ax, what is m. Then finally what is asking? Ax power m result is asking. What is the resultant value of ax power m is asking. For that, first of all, you have to consider on this integration. So for this integration, I am taking the solution like this. Integration of root over 1 minus x square by x power 4. Right. In the numerator, root over 1 minus x square is there. What is the variable term here? X square. That is I am taking out. But taking x square is common, root x square means what? X. It's into integral of 1 by x square means x power minus 2 with minus 1 by x power 4. You know, already 2 questions I did in same model, which are given in 2019 only in different shifts, right? Shift 1, maybe 2, like this, as I didn't mention any shift. Just all these questions are 2019 of previous JEE mains. X by x power 4, root over x power minus 2 minus 1. You know, x by x power 4 means what? X power 1. 1 by x by x power 4 means what? 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Again, I am writing this as integration of x power minus 3 of root over x power minus 2 with minus 1 whole dx, right? Can you get the idea about this one now? What you have to do? Now you can think about this derivative, x power minus 2 minus 1 derivative. Minus 1 derivative is 100% 0, you know very well. X power minus 2 derivative. Minus 2 x power minus 3. Here what is there? X power minus 3 is there. What is missed here? Minus 2. Means to reduce into known formula, divide and multiply with minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 into, I am writing this function is first with power minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1. Root means what? Square root means what? Whole power 1 by 2 into minus 2x x power minus 3 whole dx, right? Now this is, I am rewriting like this, divide and multiply with minus 2. This term I am writing the next, and this term I am taking the power as a root over, root means whole power 1 by 2 are taken. Now you can understand what is its derivative is here or not. Now it is clearly in the form of f power n x into f dash x. Same formula I am not giving now because I already have given 2 times. Minus 1 by 2 f power n plus 1, f of x is here x power minus 2 minus 1 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c integral constant as it is. You know, 2 gets cancelled here. Minus 1 by 3 times of x power minus 2 shall write 1 by x square with minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c, right? This is minus 1 by 3 into, what is LCM here? X square is LCM. Here 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 we can get, right? You know, 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 means what shall I write? Root over 1 minus x square whole power 3. And x square whole power 3 by 2 means 2 cancelled here, x cube means it becomes minus 1 by 3 x cube of root over 1 minus x square whole power 3. This is our required resultant integral of given function root over 1 minus x square by x power 4. This is. This one compare with the RHS. In place of the ax, what is there? Minus 1 by 3x cube is there. In place of m, what is there? 3 is there. Now what we want? We want ax power m. That is ax power m we want. Means minus 1 by 3x cube whole power. What is that? 3. M is 3. 3 cube is 27 with minus. Minus 1 by 27. And x power 3 whole cube is x power 9. Okay. So what is our ax whole power m? Required result is minus 1 by 27 x power 9. That is clearly which option? Is a fourth option. That's it. Clear? It is given that if integral of x plus 1 by root over 2x minus 1 is fx root over 2x minus 1, is asking this unknown function fx. Means you can find out as usual integral of this one and compare with this. From that we can get the fx function is what. So anybody have the idea about this form of the function? Already discussed what are the various forms of the function. This is one of the form. For that we have to proceed one suitable substitution like this. It is in the form of integral of ax plus b by root over px plus q. Maybe px plus q by root over ax plus b also we can take. In such cases means here first degree factor, here also first degree factor. In such cases we can take this as a t, means root over px plus q we can substitute as a t. Okay, this is one of the model form. Okay, in that form is there function, given function, then we can understand the root over so and so is there. What is that? Substitution is taken as t. That is I am going to use here now. That is compulsory how to do. Let what is we have take? Root over 2x minus 1 is taken as t. Okay, to find out its derivative, squaring on both sides, 2x minus 1 is equals to t square. That is 2 dx is equals to 2t dt, right? You know very well after substitution what you have to take? We have to convert remaining functions also in terms of the substitution variable. Here substitution is t, remaining functions also can convert in terms of t. Means here x plus 1 is there, that one you have to convert, and root over 2x minus 1 is t, dx also you have to convert, dx in terms of t dt. Now this question becomes what? Integral of x plus 1. What is x here? 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1 is t square. 2x is equals to 1 plus t square. X is equal 1 plus t square by 2 or not? In place of x plus 1 we can write 1 plus t square by 2 with plus 1. This is numerator. Okay, dx is already there. In place of dx we can write t dt. dt with t, right, by denominator root over 2x minus 1 is t. What is next? Clearly this t gets cancelled, right? What is left over? We can take here 1 plus t square by 2 plus 1. 1 plus t square by 2 plus 1 whole dt, right? We can take the simplification of this function. 1 plus t square LCM 2 into 1 2 by 2 overall dt. 1 by 2 is constant, it is 1 plus 2 3, t square plus 3 whole dt. Now you know its integral 1 by 2 of t square integral t cube by 3 plus 3 into integral of 1 is with respect to t, that is 3t. Take the plus c constant, you can add here onwards you can add here. Okay, right. From this one we can take the common is what? T is taken out, but taking the t is common. 1 by 2 of t into t square plus 3 plus 3, right? Now what is our t substitution? T is root over 2x minus 1. In place of this t, you have to replace root over 2x minus 1, right? 1 by 2 root over 2x minus 1. Okay. In the next term, t square is there. What is t square? 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 by 3 with plus 3, right? See, I am not writing. We can understand. There is c. 1 by 2 root over 2x minus 1, right? But taking LCM here, 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 8. Means what is 2x plus 8 by 3, right? Now you can take tx minus 8 by 3. Here 2 is there. 1 2 gets cancelled. 2 taken out. X plus 4 is there. And 1 by 3 I am writing here. 1 by 3 into x plus 4 into root over 2x minus 1. Shall I write? Finally I am adding this in now. Here 1 by 3 this is 2, 1 2 gets cancelled. What is left over here? X plus 4. The function is root over x minus 1. Root over 2x minus 1. Now you can come to the RHS. What is there? Fx into root over 2x minus 1. Fx into root over 2x minus 1. In place of fx, what is there? Yes, 1 by 3 of x plus 4. Where is it? Which option? Clearly second option. That's it. Clear? Look at this question, next question. So simple, I am going to do this one. How it is? What is asking? Integral of cos of log x is asking. To find out this integral, what you have to do? Log x means there is no particular base, means there is a particular base e, that is called as natural base. You can think that is a natural base e. So to find out this integral, we can take the substitution. Log x is the t. What you take? Let log x to the base e in the sense t. Log x is t means what? What is x is e power t or not? You know logarithmic application. Log x is to the base is t means what? By eliminating the log x becomes e power t. Okay, this is logarithmic application. X is a e power t. What is its dx? Dx is e power t dt. Right. In place of the log x we can take as t and dx we can take e power t dt. Therefore the question becomes integral of, in place of dx I am writing e power t. E power t of cos t dt, right? Okay, now come to the one of the super tip already used in previous videos. Repeatedly I am telling to you, just you can watch the previous videos, because in every video I am using the super tips and tricks. Without doing this total integration, just we have to concentrate for this tip. In terms of sine is there, cos is also there. If it is in the form of e power ax into cos bx is there, that one we can take directly e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is a super tip where a, b are what you know, e power ax cos bx formation. What is a, what is a b, you know very well. This is clearly we can take directly e power ax by a square plus b square of a cos bx plus b sin bx. In case of cos is there here. Suppose in case of sin is there here, same term as it is, but here sin comes first, then cos, but in middle minus will come. So those are super tips and tricks I used in one of the video. Please watch that video. Right, now I'm using this is that is here. In place of a, 1 is there, b is also 1 is there. According to that formula, this is e power t by a square, 1 square plus 1 square is 2, e power t, e square e power t by 2 into a means what, 1 into cos t plus 1 into sin t, b is also 1, plus c is as it is constant. Now e power t, actually e power t is what? E power t is x, means what, it is equals to x by 2 times of cos t, what is t? Log x, plus sin t, that is log x, plus c. Okay, this is only our solution, x by 2 of cos of log x plus sin of log x. Which option? X by 2 of cos of log x into sin of log x. It is clearly third option. That's it. Just you have to use this super tip for this question. To save the time, you have to this question is given that integral of 1 by x cube of 1 plus x power 6 power 2 by 3 is a x of x. 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 is given. If this is given, if this integral is given as x of x also, then he is asking fx function. To find out this integral, first you know as usual you can find out integral, then compare with this RHS, from that you can recognize what is fx. Okay, that is all I am doing here. Just simply to find out this integral, I am writing the question as it is, 1 by x power 3, 1 plus x power 6 whole power 2 by 3 dx, right? I have given the hint guys, once again recollect that one. You know, in this under power 2 by 3, there is 1 plus x power 6 function. To reduce into known integral function, what you have to do? Yes, we have to take x power 6 is common. By taking the x power 6 is common, x power 3 as it is, x power 6 power 2 by 3. Right, here x power 6 is common means what? 1 becomes x power minus 6 plus 1 power 2 by 3 whole dx, right? Next step. 3 cancel in 6 2 times, 2 into 2 4, x power 4 here, x power 3 here, means 1 by x power 7 integral of x power minus 6 plus 1 power 2 by 3 whole dx, right? Now you can understand what is derivative of x power minus 6. This is x power minus 6. What is derivative of x power minus 6? I am writing again, this is x power 1 by x power 7, I am writing the x power minus 7. X power minus 6 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3 also I am writing into numerator. That is like this. X power minus 6 plus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3. Is it clear? Plus becomes minus. Similarly, my plus 7 becomes minus 7. X power minus 7 whole dx, right? You know what is x power minus 6 plus 1 derivative? 100% 1 derivative 0. X power minus 6 derivative. Yes, minus 6 into x power minus 7. Minus 6 into x power minus 7. What is missed here? Minus 6 is missed. Divide and multiply with minus 6. This is x power minus 6 plus 1 power minus 2 by 3 of minus 6 x power minus 7. Yes, now it is ready to apply the f for n x into f dash x formula. Minus 1 by 6 as it is what the formula? F of x power n plus 1. Fx means what? X power minus 6 plus 1 power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by minus 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c constant as it is. You know, f of x power n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2, the minus 2 by 3 plus 1 means what? 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 of x power minus 6 plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. 3 cancel here 2 times. Therefore, this is the minus, I am not writing the c now, minus 1 by 2 of, what is the given formation in the x power plus x power 6 form is there. X power minus 6 we can add 1 by x power 6 means it becomes 1 plus x power 6 by x power 6 overall power 1 by 3. Right. Now, what is our power 1 by 3 take? We can take for the numerator as well as the denominator. For numerator, I am taking whole power 1 by 3 as it is. For the denominator, what happened? X power 6 whole power 1 by 3 means what? X square. That is minus 1 by 2 s x square of 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3. Right. Now we got this result minus 1 by 2 x square 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3. What we want? We want fx. Compare with RHS. 1 plus x power 6 whole power 1 by 3 is there, okay. But in place of x, fx, what is there? Minus 1 by 2 x square. Therefore, what is we want now? If x fx we have minus 1 by 2 x square. X fx, this is not fx. We want only fx. For fx, what you have to do? We can take x is right side because division 1 by 2 x square into x is x power 3. Yes, that is our required fx. Fx is now minus 1 by 2 x cube. That is clearly which option? Second option. Don't choose this third one. Third one is x fx, not fx. Okay. A slight difference is there in the question. Not given here fx directly, x fx is given. From that we can get the fx is minus 1 by 2 x cube. Is it clear now? These are the various questions I did which are given in previous JEE Mains 2019 more questions because there are the different shifts as well as 2018 one question. All those are different model questions. Most of them are similar models also given. You know, you have to understand what is the process, what is the conversion of unknown function to known function, what is the questioning, what you have to find out everything. Okay, I hope so you follow this video very well. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification because every video notification is reached to you for your better performance. It is mostly helpful to you. And if you not yet watch my previous videos, please watch them. Whose links are there in below description. And some links can be opened by click the I button on the top corner of the video. And you can watch the playlist also. So all these are the very helpful to you guys. Just you can concentrate for the preparation. Don't waste the time at any cost. You have to get any cost. You have to get the best and better ranks. That is in your hand only. In maths point of view, there is no worry. Just you have to follow my videos. I think so. Those are very helpful to you. Okay, I conclude this video is here. I come with another topic in new video. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.